Hi guys, this is Phantom Trainer, and today we're going to be opening some Dollar Tree packs of Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. Bronzer, Turtonator, and a Yanma. Turtwig, a Volkner, Volkner, and a Salandit. Pachirisu. Oh!
What is the golden?
A secret rare crushing hammer. Hold on, give me a moment. Finally, the first time in a long while that I pull something good, but it's okay. I still love the cards that I pull. But yep, the crushing hammer, secret rare, and the last card was Lopunny. That Volkner was a pretty good trainer card too. This is Fighting Energy. And Gibble. Pretty good card. Hold on. And the last... Oh! The Dawn Wings Necrozma. Let me go ahead and sleeve that up. Okay, now I am really happy. So, out of those packs, we got a Gibble, Fighting Energy, Lopunny, Pachirisu, Salandit, Volkner, pretty good card, trainer card if you're building a electric deck, Turtwig, Yanma, Turtonator, Bronzer, and we ended up getting one secret rare and an ultra rare, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. Well, that's all for the pack opening today, guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Phantom Trainer out.